Before the class, I knew flowers. I have a bachelor's degree in plant science, but I didn't know that I could create moments with flowers. Coming to this one-on-one is almost like my grad school because I know I want to do something with flowers, and this was almost like my, okay, this is your grad school. Like, all your businesses could be different, all your design styles could be different. Being one-on-one, it's personal, it's for you, it's what you want to design, it's what you want to learn and what you want to get out of it instead of having just to be a part of a class. You never know what somebody else can teach you, even if you're in the same industry. Taking this one-on-one not only is an investment in your business, but an investment in yourself, because you're learning. You're making yourself that much more valuable to the floral industry. I'm better at the end of this workshop because I learned to sustain myself in a career.